So another interesting feature with the IntelliStart piece of software that's included in MassLynx 4.1 is that if we go to the MS console and select our instrument, we can get a real-time plot that includes the levels of the tick, the vacuum, source temperature, lots of crucial instrument parameters that are updated in real time. If I want to, I can click on real time and pause this process. And what I can do is go right-click on it, select plot properties, and let's just say I want to see what's been going on in the instrument in the last minute. So I'll click OK. And to update, there we go. So as you can see, the source temperature dipped a little bit here, but then maintained steady. The desolvation temperature has been fluctuating a little bit between 190 and 188.5. These are some neat parameters that maybe I might want to save for my experiment later on and see how the instrument behaved itself over the course of a reaction. What I can do is right-click on it and either capture plot, which will just export it as a ping, or I can right-click on this and save the plot file and actually extract the data. So I can select what channels I want to extract and also pick up to 4 days old worth of data. For this, I'm just going to extract, say, the last few minutes here. Let's say, whoa, there we go. Let's say 1040. Then I can tell it where to export. I'll just tell it to go to the desktop for now and just call it live plots. And I can export it as a Waters plot file, which I believe can only be opened in MassLynx, or I can export it as a CSV file, which I can then export to Excel, which is a little more useful for us. So I'll save that, click OK. And once I have that CSV, I can create an Excel file by importing the CSV. And I can actually look and plot all of the parameters that I've exported. So here I have normalized data for the tick, the vacuum pressure, the source temperature, and so on and so forth. And as you can see, it updates about every second as I changed the cone gas flow rate, and I can monitor that in real time. This could be helpful for diagnostic purposes afterwards. For example, if you see a huge drop in your signal intensity, it might be related to some loss in desolvation gas pressure or something like that. And you can monitor this in real time and export it later on to really take a closer look at what's going on inside the instrument.